tired of being the sole admin for your LinkedIn company page? Let's fix that. First, head over to your LinkedIn company page. Make sure you're logged in with the account that currently has super admin access. This is crucial. Next, click on Admin Tools located at the top right of your company page. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Manage Admins. You'll now see a list of current admins and their roles. Look for the Add Admin button, click it. A pop-up window titled Assign Roles will appear in the search bar. Type the name or LinkedIn profile URL of the person you want to transfer the super admin role to. Once you find the person, use the drop-down menu next to their name to select super admin as their role. Keep in mind, only other super admins can assign new roles. You'll then be prompted with a confirmation message. Review the information carefully and click Confirm. This immediately grants them super admin privileges. Now, for a complete transfer, you can either change your own role to something lower, like Content Admin, or remove yourself entirely. Remember, only super admins can remove other admins, so the new super admin will be needed for this last step. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your LinkedIn company page. Make sure to communicate with the new super admin about the transition.